Welcome to the presentation overview of the course Engaging Students with Educational Technology. These are the different components we're going to discuss today. The purpose of the course is to expose teachers to new educational technology tools that will strengthen their teaching skills while also engaging their students in active learning. The background is that the school district offers professional development for teachers to complete over the summer. Utilizing technology is an important aspect of the teacher evaluation rubric. The course Engaging Students with Educational Technology was created to assist in helping teachers strengthen the technology element of their evaluation rubric, while also introducing 2 new digital subscriptions purchased for classroom use. These are the learner requirements of this course. The audience consists of certified teachers of grades K through 12 within the age range of 22 through 65 years old. The technology experience is mixed. Some teachers will have experience with technology while others might not. This is kind of a new topic for the teachers because the Hillsborough County District just bought 2 new digital subscriptions to Nearpod and Microsoft Sway. The learning environment is going to be online, and it is self-paced, and there are no prerequisites for this course. The course objectives can be found in the instructional design document. Here is a glimpse of the IDD. The terminal objective is by the end of this course, participants will be able to create a lesson with an educational technology tool by means of either Nearpod or Microsoft Sway. Some of the course learning objectives, or also enabling objectives: identify key terms on educational technology tools, demonstrate how to utilize key functions, add new slides, change background, embed multimedia, upload images, and insert activities, explain methods of cultivating student collaboration, identify methods on using educational technology tools with teaching strategies, and to create a mini project with one of the technology tools provided in the course. Some of the instructional strategies will be: participants will walk through short modules with embedded video tutorials demonstrating how to perform these objectives, visual guides, step-by-step picture guides, quizzes and assignments, and discussions that will help bring teachers together. Let's take a look at our course content. The course was made in Canvas. It's made up of 3 different modules. Module 1 is the introduction. So in this module, students will be able to meet the instructor, introduce themselves, and take a pre-test of how much they know about the topic already. Students will then listen to a podcast and then decide which one of the educational technology tools listed in the podcast that they are very excited about and can use in their course content currently. The next module is about Microsoft Sway. In this first link, students will be led to a mini course, which will include literature about how to use Microsoft Sway in the classroom, how to use teaching strategies in the classroom with Microsoft Sway, and then they'll be able to take quizzes for knowledge checks. In the second part of the module, students will be asked to complete an assignment where they will create a slide card. This is a term in Microsoft Sway. It's kind of like a slide inside of PowerPoint, but they call them slide cards. There's a rubric for the discussion and the assignment is actually listed in the tool called Wakelet. Then students will be able to set an example of what Microsoft Sway is in a flipped classroom, which is something they discussed in the mini course above. Module 3 discusses Nearpod. Nearpod is a great tool for students to use as the teacher is giving the presentation. So there is a lot of video instructional strategies, step-by-step guides. In this module, students will also be able to create a slide in Nearpod. They will participate in a discussion about the different widgets or interactive activities in Nearpod, and then they will take a short quiz for a knowledge check. The final project and final thing that needs to be done in this Canvas course is the final project, consisting of a mini lesson with 10 slides. Students can choose to either complete a mini lesson with Nearpod or with Microsoft Sway. On the left-hand side of Canvas are listed with quizzes, rubrics, outcomes, syllabus, assignments. So this is a great way for students to quickly get to where they need to. And when in doubt, when students get lost, all they need to do is come back to modules and they will be redirected to this front page. Here is our summary of course evaluation. I used the standards of OSCQR to see what my areas of work would be for the next time I developed the course. I would include policies of late submissions, disability assistance, plagiarism guidelines, and technical assistance in case the website didn't work or there were some other technical issues for the students. Here is the course link for students to enroll themselves. They would simply click on this link above and then put in their email address. Thank you for listening to this overview of our course Engaging Students with Educational Technology. I hope you enjoy the course.